Have super snakes invaded South Florida? The python invasion that has occurred in South Florida is totally the fault of humans. For years, scientists have been trying to study the snakes in an effort to understand how to control them. Recently, scientists at the U.S. Geological Survey reported that they have discovered a new hybrid python amongst the population that is a mix of two separate species: Indian pythons that prefer to live in drier habitats, and Burmese pythons which mostly prefer to inhabit wetland. The discovery doesn't mean that there is an army of sci-fi monster super snakes slithering through the Everglades. What it really means is that the new, more versatile species of python has mixed into the population that are adaptive to different regions and environments of the state. According to the USGS, the new species mixed with other pythons could hamper an already unsuccessful attempt to reduce the 150,000 invasive snakes. They have already decimated native species in the area from the Florida Keys to north of Lake Okeechobee. These decimated species include foxes, bobcats, raccoons, and rabbits.